there is a saying, why keep a dog and bark also, you know? तो कुत्ता जब खरीदा है तो खुद क्यों भौंक
रहे हो यार? एक सीन था जिसमें वो हवा चल रही थी, आई थिंक कितने किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, -4 का टेम्परेचर था, -5 और तो मेरी बंदूक, मैं ऐसा भी कर रहा था इतने साला, इतने टाइम से ने बोला पहाड़ियों मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी.
Trying to remind yourself and be in the present, because me naturally I'll often find myself living in the future. I'm not a person of the past. Whatever is gone is gone.
Big superstar, revenge lawyer.
Big superstar.
I make it easier. The actress has curly hair, guys. Come on.
Taapsee.
Pink.
Pink.
On those and in
Badla.
Yeah. Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the cast and maker of 11/11. So nice to have you all. And this is lovely to see both of you all on either sides. I want to start off by asking you, sir, that you know, such creative minds are a part of this particular project. Did you ever feel kabhi kya hota hai as a maker when you're seeing it on paper versus what you see the final product, काफी वो translation में बदल जाता है और जो आपका vision होता है कभी वो भटक जाता है. When there are a lot of people involved, did that happen over here, and how do you manage to maintain your vision on screen?
I think if you're talking about my producers, Karan, Apurva and Puneet and Achin, I think they are wonderful people, and they themselves are very creative people, and they are creative in a true sense. So the creative person understands the value of independence while creating or doing his work.
Yeah.
So I think that was the greatest advantage which I have with this, and they never interfered in whatever I was doing. In fact, they were fully supportive, and they did everything possible to make our vision come true. So that way, I was certainly blessed to have such wonderful producers. And also, a lot of times we hear about feedbacks coming from the platforms which are doing. So here I must mention that ZEE5, the creative team, was exceptionally good. They truly understood and valued the talent which they had got together for this team. And they never ever sort of interfered. यार एक ad world में ना एक there is a saying, why keep a dog and bark also, तो कुत्ता जब खरीदा है तो खुद क्यों भौंक रहे हो यार? तो ये बहुत बढ़िया बात थी. So right from my producers, and they hired and they trusted the team, which is phenomenal. So I think and I wish that everyone gets this kind of a wonderful creative environment to work with.
Yes.
I'm sure you've definitely been one of the lucky ones.
I am undoubtedly. ये 11/11 है ना, मैजिकल नंबर है.
हाँ, वो
तो उससे वही करवा रहा है सब कुछ.
मैंने जब 11/11 के बारे में सुना भी था, I thought it'll be something like fun, loving, rom-com.
नहीं, और दूसरा मुझे लगता है कि सर का भी एक्सपीरियंस एंड एवरीबॉडी नो, उनका एक्सपीरियंस इतना है कि कोई भी इंटर्न या कोई बच्चा 30 साल का या 25-26 साल का जो नया भर्ती हुआ है, वो आके सर को बोले कि यार ये आप ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो, उससे पहले तो हम ही उसे निपटा देंगे ना. सर तक तो पहुंचेगा ही नहीं कोई. तो वो वाला सीन है हमारे सेट में. 11/11 मतलब हम तीन ही 11/11 हैं.
No, but I have to also ask you, Raghav, आपने भी last time जब मैंने आपसे बात की थी, and in Kritika, when all of you all actually came into this world, y'all did a role that was very different. You came from a very gangster role, and you were doing something that was absolutely different. There you've done Keraya and stuff before, which is very different from this zone. As actors, do you all still find it difficult to switch from one zone to another?
No, it's precisely what you're looking for, actually. Of course, if you love something, why not do multiple of that?
Yeah.
But at the same time, at least I can speak for myself. I would like to choose different paths because you grow from that. More importantly, versatility. More versatility means more opportunities, more chances of flourishing in your career. So yeah.
15-16 years is a long time.
100%.
And you never get to explore so much.
Yeah. In one film.
In one project.
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं है मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है, मगर मेरी लाइफ में मेरे लिए सबसे चैलेंजिंग जो ये सवाल मैं बहुत सालों से सोचता है, बड़ा अजीब सा सवाल है, क्यों पूछते हैं, काम ही तो करो. सबसे चैलेंजिंग ये कैरेक्टर इसलिए रहा है मेरे लिए क्योंकि जनरली हम पुलिस वाला तो हूँ लेकिन वो स्ट्रेट लाइन पुलिस वाला नहीं हूँ, अपने आप को ही हमेशा मैं सवाल कर रहा हूँ, इनसिक्योरिटीज हैं, पास्ट ट्रॉमास हैं, किससे प्ले करूँ, एक स्ट्रेट नहीं था मेरे पास लाइन, एक वो नहीं था, तो इसलिए बहुत एंग्शियस एनर्जी में हर सीन प्ले किया है मैंने कॉन्शियसली कि भाई, क्योंकि मेरे पास था नहीं कुछ कि भाई ये तो पुलिस वाला, पुलिस को भी क्वेश्चन करता है आदमी, सबको क्वेश्चन करता है, he has that habit, so डाउट है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज में भी डाउट है, हर जगह डाउट, एक वो बड़ा ही चैलेंजिंग था मेरे लिए कि मैं क्या किससे प्ले करूं, इनसिक्योरिटी से प्ले करूं या सेल्फ पिटी से प्ले करूं उस चीज को, या मैं पुलिस राइचियस ड्यूटी वाला प्ले करूं, तो वो मेरे लिए बड़ा ही पहली बार मेरे दिमाग के मतलब वो खुल गए थे सर इस कैरेक्टर में। कभी हुआ नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसा लाइफ में, मतलब कि मेरे को हर वक्त हर सीन चैलेंजिंग लग रहा है, तो वो मेरे लिए बड़ा मजेदार हो गया बेसिकली।
और ये नहीं था कि मतलब आप आराम से स्टूडियो के कंफर्ट में शूट कर रहे हैं, आप रियल लोकेशंस पे खड़े हैं, आप रात को सब 0 टेम्परेचर्स पे, आपके खपती डायरेक्टर ने आपको हिलॉक के ऊपर एक खड़ा किया हुआ है, एंड ही वांट्स यू टू बी इन द कैरेक्टर छोड़िए, वो उसका हाथ ऐसे से, ही डज इट वेरी वेल, यू नो, ही बेचारा वो होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहा।
सीन था जिसमें वो हवा चल रही थी, आई थिंक कितने किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, -4 का टेम्परेचर था, -5, और तो मेरी बंदूक मैं ऐसा भी कर रहा था इतने साला, इतने टाइम से ने बोला है पहाड़ियों मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी अगर तू कहां पर, तो रुक ही नहीं रहा अपना। तो बहुत,
और बारिश की सीन्स भी किए हमने इतनी
आउटडोर शूट्स तो हमेशा आई थिंक वेरी चैलेंजिंग, इट्स चैलेंजिंग आल्सो,
बट वी आर डूइंग some very crazy things. There were, you know, huge sequence of rain, and we were shooting in December, you know, and it was Dehradun, and it was very cold, and but kiye kyunki karna tha, and we really enjoyed. I hope now the viewers also enjoy what we have done.
I'm sure we will. I also have to ask that because this project talks a lot about timelines, past, present and future. अक्सर I think as humans हम एक ऐसी प्रोफेशन में है और लाइफ एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आप पास्ट और फ्यूचर के बारे में ही सोचते रहते हो, एंड यू स्टॉप लिविंग इन द प्रेजेंट. डू यू ऑल फेस दैट इशू जहाँ पे यू नो यू हैव टू रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ टाइम एंड अगेन कि हाँ हो गया? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ लाइक समथिंग्स वर्कड आउट फॉर यू राइट नाउ राघव, यू विल जस्ट थिंक अबाउट कि आई हैव टू नाउ अप द गेम, आई हैव टू स्केल इट अप, बट आर यू एंजॉइंग व्हाट्स हैपनिंग राइट नाउ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू?
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग टाइम to enjoy, and I am really enjoying the process. I am also enjoying कि मुझे 5 दिन घर में बॉम्बे में रहना मतलब वो हो जाता है मेरे लिए, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मेरा कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है और एक अच्छी फीलिंग आती है बहुत, स्पेशली ऐसा जिसमें मतलब कंटेंट ड्रिवन प्रोजेक्ट है, ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ, क्योंकि बड़ा भी मैंने बहुत किया है लाइफ में, मुझे वो मिला नहीं सेटिस्फेक्शन जो मैं असली सर के साथ या फिर जो सिनेमा करके मिलता है वो मुझे अब मिल रहा है. हाँ,
I relate with this internal tussle of trying to remind yourself and be in the present, because me naturally I'll often find myself living in the future. I'm not a person of the past. Whatever is gone is gone.
Okay.
So yeah, if I have this tussle with myself.
But you can let go past baggages?
Yeah. You have your that period where you mull over it or whatever the situation is. And then it's gone. I mean, I see myself as a more really, again, practical, but at the same time very emotional, very similar to my character really. And always trying to live in the, although one stark difference is that Shaurya is always living in the past. He's so burdened by the past.
And they're in the future.
Yeah.
Concept तो मजेदार है, and I believe in this, like whatever's happening, I believe in the show basically.
Yeah.
But personally, if I had to say, I think an actor's journey can be very solitary. It is solitary. Can sometimes feel really like you feel like you have to navigate this. So you end up thinking about the past and the future a lot more.
Yeah.
Because everything that you do has a bearing on, you know, your career. So just navigating this path can sometimes feel a bit lonely, and you feel like you have to, you know, and that makes you think, and every time that you feel a low, you look back at the past and think कि क्या कुछ अलग करना चाहिए था, and or every time that you're making a decision, you're constantly thinking about the future, saying I hope this helps.
Yeah.
So professionally there's this tussle always, and I think you can never really be happy or content.
No, but personally also, are you the kind of person who thinks about the past and future a lot and less in the present, or are you
I
like
don't
जो
have-
होगा देखा जाएगा?
No, listen, I mean, I understand, I'm a rational person. I understand that कोई regret करने का तो कोई फायदा नहीं है. There's no point in holding regrets or saying you can't go back into the past and change anything, unfortunately. I wish you could, like in our show we can, but you can't.
Yeah.
But I am somebody who treads cautiously because I do care about the future.
100%. No, I think that's what we all are. Before I leave, I'm going to play a small game. So basically, I'm going to give you 3 words, and these are some murder, mystery, thriller kind of films. Okay, so
guess the film.
yeah, you have to guess the film. Blind, piano, murder.
Andhadhun.
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 Yeah, you all played this?
No, but like,
Okay, this is too
Which
easy.
is very good.
Revenge,
As
it's a great
team.
film. Huh? Sorry, yes, Revenge.
Ghost, Cops.
Revenge, Ghost, and Cops.
Yeah.
Oh, this is that Amir's film with Kareena in it.
The
If someone gets the name.
What? Did we do it even
Talash.
pehle?
Yeah,
Talash.
there you got it.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, family, protection, daughter.
Drishyam.
Drishyam.
This is
Drishyam.
Drishyam.
So got it. Wow. Okay, this is a little in the horror zone. Haveli, horror, mystery, murder.
रात
बड़ी
अकेली
फिल्म
है. Sorry.
With a
Good,
police
good
person.
guess.
This is with Vidya Balan?
Wow.
Wow.
कहानी?
No, that Vidya जो उसका
भूत भुलैया, भूल
भूल
भुलैया.
भुलैया.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bhul
But
Bhulaiya
sir is only
cop
getting
का है.
this.
I only give them
No, I didn't
tips.
say
They
cop.
get the right
I said
answer.
mystery.
हाँ, मैं भी कॉप ढूंढ
सर
रहा
से
actually.
सर
Yeah.
पास में जाकर
हाँ.
टिप्स दे रहे हैं.
What? So I was giving hints and you all are getting the
Yeah.
answer. Okay. Missing husband, Kolkata.
Now कहानी.
कहानी.
Yeah, now Kahani. Okay. Lastly, lawyer, defense, and murder.
Defense, murder.
डिफेंस मतलब जो डिफेंसेस हमारे जो डिफेंस जो आर्मी वाले.
No.
There's no cop in this.
लॉयर.
Is it Sunny
Talwar.
Deol's
I'm just trying to
film?
remember.
Tariq
Royal-
Tariq?
No.
Shaurya.
There's a big superstar in this film.
लॉयर, डिफेंस एंड
Lawyer, defense, murder.
Defense or murder.
Investigative.
Ittifaq?
एलएलबी.
No.
Hmm.
Revenge. एक और दिया.
रिवेंज. पिंक नहीं.
Big superstar,
Pink.
revenge, lawyer.
Big superstar.
I make it easier. The actress has curly hair, guys. Come on.
Taapsee.
Pink.
पिंक.
On those and
Badla.
yeah.
Oh.
There you got it. Badla was a great film. Yeah.
Amit Ji playing
Yes.
the lawyer.
Oh.
Yes. What a film.
Yeah.
But thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Wish you all the
Thank
very
you.
best
Thank
for
you.
11/11 and everything coming in the future.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Please
Please
like,
like, share, and subscribe to
Instant
Instant
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Yeah.